Nicole, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I just restarted my system. Now the system is working perfectly fine.
Okay,
Sorry for that.
no problem.
Sorry, Regan. I just restarted my system. Now it's working perfectly fine.
It's okay.
There was a lag basically in my system and I just fixed it now. Let me share my screen. Okay. Now, everyone can see my screen. Okay. If you see here, I am just starting from the basics as well. I just opened a workbook. The workbook name is book 1. This is by default name. And I'm working in the worksheet, sheet 1. Let me rename this worksheet. How can I do that? One way is that right click there and simple rename it. And Excel training, I can give it to name Excel training. And likewise, I can add the new sheets. So simple, put the plus button. I can give it to the different color. How? Just give the tab color. Let's say red is a good color. I like it. I can give the color to my tab Excel training over here. Okay, this is called quick access toolbar. Whenever I want to use a tool frequently again and again, then I can put that tool here. Let's say right click, add to quick access toolbar. Now this tool will come into the quick access toolbar. All these are called tabs. In a single tab, there are multiple groups. Like I'm in the data tab. Get and transform data is the single group. Query and connection is a second group. Data types is another group. Sort and filter is another group. In every group, there will be multiple options like advanced tool, text to columns, delete columns, data validation, etc. This is called the name box. Name box means it will tell you that in which Excel cell you are at the moment. Like D22, it means I am in the D column 22 row, like here. Likewise, let's say if I say to you, go into the E177, go there E177. It means I'm in the E column vertical position and in the 177 rows. Then I teach you how to use the formula bar. Let's say I'm here. I want to move into the last row. How can I do that, Nicole? Nicole, I want to move into the last row. How can I do that?
You push down the down arrow.
Control down arrow.
Yeah, control down arrow.
Then press control up arrow. I will move into the first row. Then let's say if I want to add few numbers, let me write the few numbers over there. I'm writing few numbers. Okay, and let's say these numbers are for different months. Now I want to add, let's say I want to add the dates for I want to all the data for January, February, March, April, May. How can I do that, Nicole? How can I add data for January, February, March, April, and May? How? Is equal to?
So you would do equals sum tab, and then you would click on the first one, shift all the way down to the last one right below, and then enter.
And the one more important thing is that you can simply drag, automatically formula will move into the right side. Like you can see that this formula is for the first range, this formula is for the second range, this formula is for third range, this is for fourth range. Means I can move by formula easily. Okay, now I would request to again Rajan, please add all the data for January, total sales. How can I do that? Is equal to sum. Rajan, please.
So it would just be the same thing. So you just hit equal sum tab and then drag all the way down shift drag all the way down and then hit enter.
And then drag to the right. Automatically you will get this. Awesome, awesome. We are just taking off into the next level. Now I want to get the maximum number from these. How can I do that? Let's say this is my data, and if I give them to the different color, go to the fill color. Let's say give the color like this. How can I give the color? Just select the data through mouse. You can select it either from the mouse or from the shift button, and just give the different color like this. Now I want to pick the maximum number from this range. How can I do that? Max, let's say in this scenario, we can say, I don't know. Let's say the 158 is the maximum number. How can I pick my maximum number? Any idea?
No.
Don't worry. Now, the first question you will ask me, sir, if you want to get the maximum number, what is the function for it in Excel? I would say max, M-A-X is equal to max. Now you can see, read there, returns the largest value in the set of values and ignore logical operators. Press tab, select the range. It will give you the maximum number, 159. Though I was presuming that maximum number is 158, but it was 159. And you can drag it up to the right. Automatically, it will give you the maximum number. Likewise, if I say to you, get the minimum number from the data, how you can do that?
You would just do the same thing as max. You're just going to put equal, and then I'm guessing min, M-I-N.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
Tab,
Just select the data,
all the way.
and wow, just you get the data as per your requirement. Now, I want to get the second maximum. How can I do that?
Can you repeat that one more time?
I want to get the second maximum. Second maximum. Second maximum means, let's say the maximum number was 159, and the second maximum could be 158, 157, or 150. How will I get the second maximum?
Would you just put equal to max?
No, no to max. Now the question arises, what is the function in Excel for it? I would say the function is large. Large will give you the second maximum, third maximum, etc. Then press tab. If you see, there are two arguments in this formula. First is array. Array means select the range, comma. Now you can see automatically I move into the second argument. K means which number you want. You want second maximum, third maximum, fourth maximum, or 10th maximum. In this scenario, I want second maximum. So I press 2. Automatically it will give me the second maximum number. Okay, can you repeat, Nicole? Let me do this again. I want to get the third maximum number now. How can I do that? Third maximum.
You would do equal, large,
Very good.
tab, and then you would do array.
Array
the
means
shift, the
whole
numbers.
range. Okay.
Mhm.
Then
And then comma, 2 or
no.
3.
Very good, very good. Because now I want to get the third maximum. I get my desired answer. Excel is very easy. You are doing awesome job. Both of you are doing learning very quickly. Okay. Now, my question is from Nicole. I want to get the fourth minimum number from my data. How can I get that? Fourth minimum.
So it would be equal,
Okay.
small,
Very good. Very good. Awesome. Appreciate it. Then
and then the numbers all together.
shift down arrow
Mm-hmm.
till my data. Please be
Comma.
careful. Don't add these. These are the formulas. You want to add only your data, comma, then press 4.
4.
Very good. Very good. Now, Rajan, I want to get the average of these numbers. How can I do that? Rajan?
Equal AVE, average, yeah,
Don't-
AVE bar.
No need to write the full formula. Just press move inside your formula.
And
Okay. Then select the
tab.
range.
Yeah.
It will give you the desired answer. Wow. I get my desired answer. Okay, Nicole,
Okay.
it is easy, quite easy in fact. Now